The encoder output waveform is a square wave as above. Encoder phase A and phase B output pulses equal to the number of resolutions per rotation. For example, if the resolution is 100, 100 pulses are output for phase A and B per rotation. When rotating in the CW direction, repeat A on, B on, A off, B off. When rotating in the CCW direction, repeat B on, B off, A off. Encoder phase C outputs 1 pulse per rotation regardless of resolution. The model name of the encoder used is E50S8-100-3-T-24. Connect the power supply plus volt to the brown wire of the encoder. Connect the power supply minus volt to the blue wire of the encoder. Connect the black wire of the encoder to the minus terminal of the lamp. Connect the white wire of the encoder to the minus terminal of the lamp. Connect the orange wire of the encoder to the minus terminal of the lamp. Connect the power supply plus volt to the plus terminal of the lamp. Turn the encoder shaft slowly and check the lamp status.